Yo, people, this is how me I try showing say nowadays, right? You see that that person, nigga, is worried, otherwise known as gunshot, Little thing from the where people know it as bullet, the little part that the part they can kill somebody, right? Um, this morning about approximately 1:30 somewhere there about, it's my bigger brother call me like with the turn off my plan on my phone and everything and my phone a charge. You get me I say? So when I wake up in the after 3, I say miss call. So I say when they call me like 1 o'clock in the morning, you see me? So me know I start praying, I say yo Father God do make nothing bad. Yes me I say but me I think I say yo why in they call me at that point that morning if I never something bad, you get me I say? Like in that wait if you tell me the other day or in the morning if I something good, you see me? Anyways, me call him back, and he tell me say yo him there in the house and in this here the shot fly through the roof. You get me I say? And must lodge up in somewhere, must on the ground or something of that sort. You see me? But I say yo where him they have in bed. He lodge up, you get me I say? So a lucky thing say move in bed. You see it? So if you never move in bed, probably somebody will get hit in the house or something. You get me I say? Thankfully nobody never get hurt. You see it? So that me I try to show you say yo right now nowadays leaving your own house in a safe. You see me? Man are doing gun salute, shot fly through your roof. You can't just sleep and shot come kill you. You see me? Because if you shot go up in the ear, you get me I say, you can come back down, come do harm same way. You see me? No care how far you go up in the ear, you can come back down and do harm. You see me? So for the man them, you just know what I do. You see me? Because at this point we can't stop crime from going, you see me? Unfortunately, you see it. We just become a nation where we just different nowadays, you see me? We're not a heart again. No little love, nothing at all about it, you see it. But in the idea, greatest thing, nobody never get hurt or anything still, you see me? Because that could have been tragic, you see it. Yeah.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So the other day I tell you no say 2022 I go surpass the amount of murders in a 2021. But the way how it look right now, it look like it not even go wait for 2022 if it done before it pass out 2021, In a 2021 it was over 1,400 murders for the entire year. But this year, look like without we reach even halfway in the year, we might pass that number there. Because this is the very first month of 2022 and so far over 100 people don't get murdered. 112 the last time I check. Now, if you are sit down and say, yo, you not see nothing wrong with that, then something wrong with you. Because with everything we are going, with the number of people we are dead, it don't look good. Now this lady right here so drop a video and she don't like how things are going. And in the video she said she knows that it's not gonna go viral because she ain't no Barbie and she no famous or popular and all of them things. But guess what? It not take you to be famous or popular to voice your opinion, Empress. Because me hear exactly what you say and me understand everything what you say. And more females like you need to start speaking out. Take a listen to what she said, viewers.
I know this video might not go viral because me and a dolly, me not take nobody man, me not trending. But if it reach your ears, just listen what me I say. The little 9-year-old baby with them killed because a baby that, oh God, the little boy don't know what go on a dirty tough. Him not responsible for him seeing them yet. Jamaica land we love. What really a go on a dirty tough. I remember gone are the days when, as Pitney growing up, me come from ghetto. Maxfield, I come from the heart of the ghetto. I grew up, I seen it all. Gone are the days and them the days there. You can't left your Pitney, send your Pitney go around the road, go play with our friend. Send your Pitney go up in the open lot up so. And you can't cook your food and not have to worry about your Pitney. No, you can't do that. It's like Them a watch your pitney for snatch away your pitney in your own community. You understand? Remember gone are the days when a man come for a man as a pitney growing up in the ghetto. I'm a seat, live it, seat. The man where them come for, and the man that them a kill. Him could have there between 10 people, and just a one man that them a kill where them come for. In a broad daylight, them no care, them a still kill a one man that them not snatch your innocent life. You understand? The saying was, if you can't catch Quack, you catch him short. No means say you go kill him mother. No means say you go kill him baby mother with pregnant with him child. That no means say you go kill him baby when he live in a life yet. Him couple months old baby, him couple year old baby. That no mean and that them say when them say if you can't catch Quack, you catch him short. It mean the same friend will come with him will come feel. You understand? And that they mean the rest of jing bang them with him, not him family them, not an innocent life. You understand? Me not understand what go on in Jamaica. Gone are the days when two women a fight for man, one up the one they down the sun, them strip themselves naked and them class them one another and them go on the most way. And next week are them that again, another man that them not kill them one another so viciously. Gone are the days. Remember when everybody used to agree, everybody that one day, it's just nice. I want the food where the pit them eat. I want the food because of the young youth them do this. I want the food where them youths eat. I want the ear where I go on where them inhale. I want the weed where them smoke. I want them spray upon the weed them where them make nowadays. I want for the whistler. I want for something combined with it. Me no know. But everybody just bad so. Everybody just want to prove a point. Nobody not just want to live and enjoy life. Come on, there's so much that life have to offer than just walk around and kill people, walk around and kill innocent people. Life out there for live experience. But just to get it. And then when somebody say them afraid for come to Jamaica, you say we sell out Jamaica. But what is there for us to come back to? Give us a reason. Give us the real, authentic Jamaica what we used to. The Jamaica where we can just be free. We can just live. You understand? Jamaica used to you left your door open, you just do whatever. Christmas a come, your neighbor them a paint all the street side them, everybody are in them local music and everybody just festive and a live. Those are the days me used to when me grew up on. But something with them youths and nowadays, it's like me don't know if I threw them little young girl at the pan. A bad man them want and I influence the youth them just to be bad and vicious against each other. But something, ladies, listen, please me I beg on if that's the problem, I don't just want a bad man. Listen, everybody have them preferences, you know. But the change starts with you. The change starts with me. We have to put a stop to war one. I'm not business with nobody else's country. I'm a business about my country, Jamaica. I'm not business with nobody want to say that all over the world. I talk about what me used to Jamaica, what me grew up on. You understand? We need to make a change. We need to just live life and stop bad mind people for what them have. Everybody gonna get there. Just work towards it. Stop kill and experience life. The change starts with somebody. Make the change start. It starts with me. It's gonna start with you. Stop influence them young boy nowadays. Oh, bad man want. If you're not killing, if you're not bust gun, me don't want you. No go so. Stop me them walk upon them and kill innocent people.
Me have to say big girl up, you know. Because here we go on. Me always I say this. The mothers, the sisters, the aunties, and the girlfriends know exactly who are the criminal them, you know, and know who are do things, you know. But them nah speak out. Them nah influence the youth. Them say, yo, Yewa, do better. Leave that alone. Them a cover for them and hide them. We need to stop that. So big up to the Empress here who speak out. And as a matter of fact, me have to big up to the JCF too. Because Yewa, when them nah do enough, we beat them bad. So when them actually do something, we have to acknowledge it as well. You see the other day, them go find a barrage of gun. Them go out all day and dig up and dig up and dig up and search and find a bunch of guns on the island. So big up to the JCF and the work where them are put in as well. You see it? We have to give them credit. Watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button if you like our content. And make sure you turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.